Hi, welcome back to my AI tutorial channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the new AI avatar technology from Wondershare to easily create a YouTube news channel in any language and topic you want. This AI tool is new, but the quality and features are amazingly good and easy to use for anyone. Make sure you watch all parts of this AI video tutorial because I will use a different AI character in every part so you can choose the best match for your needs. So, let's get started. Part 1. Create a Wondershare account. You will need a Wondershare account to use Wondershare Virbo AI. Go to the Wondershare official website from the link I provided in this video's description. Click the sign in button, then click create an account, and you can continue using Google, Facebook, Twitter, Apple, or any email account. Part 2. Download and install Virbo AI. Go to the Wondershare Virbo AI official website from the link I provided in this video's description. Click the free download button to start downloading the Virbo AI installer. Open the installer file and follow the installation instructions. Part 3. Choosing niche and news sources. Now let's use Google Bard to analyze evergreen and highly searched news niches. Type, analyze the top 10 evergreen and most searched niches for a YouTube news channel. Part 4. Create an AI video. Go back to your Wondershare Virbo AI app. Navigate to the video templates page. Type, news, in the search bar and select the desired news video template. Click the Create Video button to generate your video and open the Virbo AI editor page. On the left panel, you will see your scenes. You can add, delete, and duplicate scenes from this panel. Make edit if needed. Part 5. AI Avatar. Now let's choose your AI avatar. Click the Avatars button. Select your avatar and click the OK button to use this avatar in your current scene, or activate Apply to all storyboard, before clicking OK button to use this avatar in all your scenes. Part 6. AI Script Rewriter and Translation. Now click the AI Script button and paste your article or news script. Use the Smart Optimization function to rewrite your article into a new version. You can choose the writing style you want. Part 7. AI Voiceover. Virbo AI will automatically detect your AI script and set the language for the AI voiceover settings. To customize the AI voice, click the language option, select the best voice that matches your AI avatar, and click OK to save this change. Part 8. Add media. To make our news more interesting, let's add a video related to our news. Create new scene by clicking plus button on the scene panel. Upload your video by clicking the import button. After that, right-click on the video and select the Move to Bottom option. Then, you can add or move your news script. Part 9. Add intro. Now, let's add a news intro to our video. Create a new blank scene by clicking the plus button on the scene panel. Go to Canva, click on the Create Video menu, search for News Intro, and choose your preferred video. Thank you for watching this AI video generator tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support my work. See you in the next artificial intelligence video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.